Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, unfortunately the brows are done off camera because I just couldn't get the proper footage. So currently I am going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn to carve out those brows and just kind of shape them up, clean them up, make them look less messy because I draw them on super messy and then I sculpt them how I want them to be. So now I go in with my little itty bitty Real Techniques beauty sponge and I just blend my little heart out because I don't want, or you don't want, any harsh concealer lines because that's not cute and we don't want that. That's not the look we're going for today because baby, it's not a look. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow base because I'm a broke college student, don't have eyeshadow base. So now I'm also going in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I love this palette, it's so amazing. And I'm going in with the color Buns, and that's going to be my transition shade. You always want to start with a transition shade. Never go in with the dark color because you're going to you got punched in the face and that's not a look. So next we are going in with Hunts, and I'm just going to use that to darken up that transition shade and kind of add like a gradient effect from light to medium to dark. That's just my favorite thing to do, but we all know there's no rules to makeup. Just enjoy it. So just make sure you blend in all those colors together. And now I'm going in with the color Roxanne. And this is just going to deepen up the crease a little bit and add extra dimension to that crease. So next I will be using the color Mystic from the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. That's actually the first palette I ever got from her and it's amazing. I'm obsessed with Jaclyn Hill's palettes. They're worth every penny, and the smaller ones are like $15, I believe, and the big one was $38 from Ulta, but they're worth every penny, I promise. So now I'll be going in with the color Porcelain in the LA Girl Pro again. I like to use a white base concealer because you get the better color payoff with that. The lighter the base, the more your colors pop. So now I'll be going in with the color Queen, and that is in that Morphe palette of Jaclyn Hill. I'm just going to place that all over the lid where I placed the concealer. This is just like a really beautiful gold color, and it'll literally make any shadow pop. You can mix this with any color, and it's perfect. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my lid. And next, I will be adding the color Firework. And I'm going to be placing this in between the lid color and the color that I placed in the outer V, which is the color Mystic. And then I'm just going to blend all of these colors together carefully. You definitely want to make sure you blend everything together when you're done with the shadows because you don't want any harsh lines. So just make sure that you blend until you have carpal tunnel, until your hand falls off, until your brush breaks. We don't care. We're gonna blend. And if you also feel like when you're blending you're losing color, you can absolutely go back in with more color and darken it up as you go, but just remember that it's easier to add color than it is to remove color. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner by the brand Iris Belle. I got this eyeliner from my local beauty supply store. It's $2.99. It's amazing, but with this product, I do definitely try to work quickly because it dries really fast. So now I'll be using my Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation in the color 360 Mocha. On camera, this does not look my color at all, but I promise you it is. And I'm just using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend that in. And of course, it is damp. I love this sponge. It's amazing, and it's like $4, $5 at Walmart because I'm broke and I can't afford a real beauty blender. Don't judge me, okay? I'll get there, I promise. So I'm just blending in all the right places on my triple chins and my neck. And I also like to blend my foundation into my ears. I just don't like crazy lines. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, which is the same one I used to carve my brows. And I'm just going to use this to lighten up the under eyes, the nose, the forehead, and the Cupid's bow. And this is my favorite concealer. It's like $3.99 at your local beauty supply store. And I mean, it's bomb. So now I'm just going to blend away. This is actually like my favorite part. It's just kind of like, it's just amazing. It's satisfactory. So I'm just blending and making sure that everything is blended out and I don't have these crazy colors all over my face. And I didn't show it, but I'll be using my Real Techniques sponge to apply, the small one, to apply my Coty Airspun setting powder. I love this powder. I live for this powder because I'm an oily chick, okay? Can't have oil. And I also like to set my brows with a black eyeshadow, just because I don't like going in with the setting powder and then when I wipe it off, I lose part of my brow and that's not cute. So now I'll be using my Strip Lash by 32nd, and I will be adding my cheap $2 lashes that are from Kiss. And I'm sorry the footage for this is not the best and you're at the worst angle of my 10,000 chins. But when I do my lashes, I have to be all up in the camera. I don't know why. I mean, not the camera, the mirror. Oh my God, I can't talk. I have to be all up in the mirror and it's just a mess. So yeah. And now I'm just pinching my lashes together with the false lashes so that we don't have that crazy looking gap in between the false lashes and your real ones. So now I'm going in with my, don't mind me, I was dancing. I love Ariana Grande. Does anyone else love her? I'm sorry, I do. Okay, off topic. But anyway, I am using my big kabuki brush from, what company is this? Oh my gosh, Bare Minerals. I stole it from my mom. She'll watch this video, but whatever. I took it from her. And then now I will be using my $2 face powder by Black Radiance. I love this powder. I'm the color Cafe. And it's just amazing. I love it. And then I will be going back in with the color Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette to hit under the eyes. Kind of add that pop of color in the waterline. And I'll be mixing it as well with Firework. And then now my favorite highlight of all time. That is my lovely Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. I don't remember how much this is. I think it's $13, but I promise you it's worth every penny. A little bit takes you a long way. I love it. And then now I'm just opening up the inner corner with this highlight. It makes you look more awake. And now I am highlighting my big ass nose, which it just makes my nose look bigger, but who cares? And then now my cheeks. I just love this highlighter. You can never have too much highlight. If someone tells you you have on too much highlight, remove them from your life. We don't need that negativity. And last but not least, I will be going in with my Maybelline Tattoo Ink liquid lipstick. I don't know why I love Maybelline, but their products are just amazing for my skin personally. And also because I'm broke, all I can afford is Maybelline and e.l.f. So yeah, but this is a really nice lipstick. It's definitely 24 hours. It doesn't matter what you do, it'll stay. So this is the finished look. I hope you all like this video. And this is my first voiceover. So if it's a mess, I'm sorry. I love you guys. Have a great week. Bye, guys. Mwah.